Hello all, welcome back to our discussion on the systems development life cycle SDLC. So in the previous slides we have given a brief introduction of SDLC, uh, what are all the derivatives that are being used in projects in SDLC, and the role of system analyst in SDLC. So in this we will again discuss on some of the aspects of SDLC. So the first thing before going further, so basically why ASDLC is required, so we have discussed in detail, but we will see some examples. Let us assume we have a student who is trying to get a university seat. So what he does is basically, first thing is, before entering into the university, he will initially plan his career. He will understand what and all are required, and then he will do a analysis by comparing all the different universities across, and he will select his desired university, get understand the fees, the kind of seats that he can get, and the courses offered. And once he gets, he will write the entrance exam for that, clear that, and get a seat in it, and he will pay the fees. Finally, the ultimate aim of acquiring a seat is done, so he will start going to the college and pursue his course. So if you see here, basically the student starts from planning his career, understanding how to achieve his target, and then what are all the things he need to do as a part of the target, what exams need to be done, and ultimately writing those exams, clearing them, and going to the university. So this has a specific process, and similarly, if you see another example, if you want to buy a mobile phone, like example, or any other gadget, so what you do is basically, first you will plan, because you need to know what is your budget, what is the kind of feel you need to have about your gadget, what are the brands that are that you would like to prefer. So that is the first thing, you will plan. And then once you plan, you compare the different possibilities and availabilities within the budget you have chosen. Understand that the specifications of each of those models, and then if you want to take a loan, you will understand the loan process, and then basically um, so basically you will example, if it is a bike, you will do a test drive of it. So now during buying, what you do is, because you have compared all those models, all the style quotient have been taken care, everything, so you know where to buy now. So you'll provide all the required documents, you will apply and get a loan for your bike or something, or it could be a mobile phone, whatever. And then yeah, finally you get your required gadget or automobile which you want. So and you use it for your needs, whether it be vehicle for a drive, or mobile phone for your call and other needs. So basically, what is the crux of all this is that whether it be any part, have to have a clear plan, process defined for it, then only you can buy. You cannot just take some x amount of money, go out and buy it, right? You have to do some analysis, you have to know what are the risks, what is your budget, what's the outside opinion, what are the failures of that specific things. So this can be generalized across everything. So basically the planning, understanding whatever the process that are involved, and identifying the risks that are there, and definitely you have to cover those risks, and then ultimate thing is implementing your plans. So any part of life, whether it be project we are talking, or any other generic things, these are the items which need to be considered. So We will talk about individual items in SDLC life cycle. Like the first phase, if you see, is initiation and the planning phase. So what happens is, let us assume most of us work in projects in our companies, but before the project is being initiated, there are a lot of aspects that are present. The first one would be first to see what is the project that need to be executed. So let us assume you are in a company where your company wants to do a project. So basically there will be a group of people, like the sales guy or a marketing guy who is in the field, basically comes up with a request that there is a requirement for this specific thing in the market. So these guys, who are called the project sponsors, come up with these requirements, and what they do is, they prepare a business case, why that need to be built, and what is the market for that, and how the organization is going to benefit out of that. So these are all the business cases these project sponsors prepare, and with the help of the internal system analyst or whoever, they do a high level feasibility study, from the technical and commercial perspective. Technical is like whether we have the capability, or do we need to invest more. So these kind of things come from the technical things, whereas from the commercial side, whether company has sufficient funds, or whether company will get revenues beyond the investment, so that it lands in the profit. So these kind of feasibility study need to be done. So so the process is like, once the project sponsor comes up with the needs, they do the feasibility study, and they prepare a business case, and then they hand it over to the next level. So the is the project management team. So basically, once all these come to the project management team, it meant that it has cleared the feasibility study, and company is ready to go ahead executing the project. So now the project management team starts working on creating a project plan for that, and identify the key stakeholders, like who needs to, like the reporting structure from the top to the bottom need to be created, because that's the thing which helps the project flow to be smoother. And then create the ultimate objectives of this specific project. So why this project need to build, what are all the things that need to be taken care. So the basic objectives are very important, because that's what drives the project. That's and the it gives clarity to the people below. And then they also identify the constraints which are which might come up at a later point of time with respect to the project. And then along with the stakeholders, their major role is to identify a team who has to work on the project. So the major point here is that this project management team basically comes up with an initial project plan, how the project need to be executed, who needs to work on it, what is the reporting structure of this project, what are all the constraints that might come up, basically the risks, and define the objectives of the project. So you know now that once a project is being initiated at a specific level, and flows down to the project management team, it is the role of this project management team who creates a path for the execution of this project. So at this moment of time, one has to remember that there isn't a detailed requirement analysis done, only a objective of this project execution has been prepared. So the initialization and the planning phase includes getting the project, scope of the project, a high level scope of the project, approvals for going through, and identifying the key stakeholders of this project, and forming the project team. So this is the very important phase in the SDLC life cycle. So there are several tools also which can be used across this. So we will first learn about the different phases involved here, and then we will go across to see how the tools are used, or see different cases around the projects to understand better. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, or if you want to point out something which you are not clear, please write a comment below. We will provide our feedback. Thank you.